Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about this reading is for Leo zodiac sign, and the reading is, the question is, what is going to happen with my dear Leo in September 2020, and I'm directly going towards the reading. Okay, your first card is the Hermit card. You are alone in this moment, in this time, and you are confused about something, or you want to have the clarity over something, or you want to have the way towards something. You want to go towards something, and you want to have something, and you want the way, to get it. Okay, and you are a wise person. You have the keys over here to do this thing. You just want the right way to do it. Now then you can handle all the situation. Okay, but someone is not attracted towards you, or they don't want to start something new with you. Yes, they don't want to have any relationship or a friendship with you in with this card, and this Knight of Swords. But you are so attracted towards you, or this is vice versa. That person is so attracted towards you, or and you are not, or maybe you are so attracted towards that person and they are not. You are going towards that person. You want the way to go towards that person. You are running towards that person so fast, so aggressively. You want them with you, but they are not coming to with you. You are not having the success in this month, and they don't want to start anything with you. You deserve love. You are a lovable person. You are a good person. You deserve love, but first you have to release your ex. This is the problem over here. That person wants you to release your ex, and when you leave your ex, they will come to you. They want you to leave your ex. Okay, grumpy red fairy, be your true self. But you are not just staying in your true self. You are changing for that person. You are changing your life for that person. Okay, that person, I think this person is like a snake person. They want you to break your home, to break your relationship with someone else, and then they want to make home with you. But this is not good. If they want you, then they will also keep that other person with you. They don't want to break your home. If they are the true lover, if they are your true lover, they don't want you to have some problem in your life or some loss in your life. Okay, but this person, I think this person is a very prideful person. This person is person of their own self. They don't think of others. They only think that what they want, and that person always bite others, or they always poison others. They are a snake like person. When they are with someone's in someone's relation, they want any other person. They don't want any other person with that person. I mean that if they are with your they are in your relationship, they don't want anyone else with you. Not your mother, your father, not your sister, anyone, your children, nothing. They want only themselves with you. They only see this, can only see their own self. They are not seeing anyone else. Yes, this is the situation you have over here. Okay, your first card is, don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being same as everyone else. Okay, don't be afraid of looking different. Okay, don't change yourself. Definitely don't change yourself. If this person wants you to change yourself, don't change yourself. You are a good person. Your inner self is very good, but this person wants to change you. This person, their self is not good person. Don't listen to them. Okay, when a guy likes a girl, he will look her in the eye. When a girl likes a guy, she will look away. Okay, if that person is really in love with you, these things are happening with you. If she is a girl, then she will look away, and if this person is a guy, they will look towards you. If they are your real lover, then you can move toward them. If they are not, then please don't change yourself for them. Sometimes people don't deserve your kindness, but a devil like me who is waiting in you to show up. Okay, tell them that you are not free, you are not for them. Okay, you are not listening to them, you are not doing as they want you to do. Tell them, don't change yourself, don't do anything wrong over here. Okay, your mind can sense someone staring at you even when you're asleep. Okay, you can know what that person want, or with by your intuitions, or if that person is really in love with you or not. Okay, rings. Circles repeat, going round and round. You are repeating the your mistakes. You are going round and round. You like that person, you are attracted towards that person, and you want that person, you want to have that person in your life, and that person wants you to do something bad. The devil whispered in my ear, you are not strong enough to withstand the storm. Today I whispered in devil's ear, I am the storm. Yes, be like a storm. Um, don't flow with the storm. Be yourself like a storm. Okay, stand up for your beliefs, for your own good, and tell that person that I am not leaving the person you want to leave me. I am just or maybe this card is for you to leave this person. This person is not good, and so tell them that you are not anymore with them. Urus, okay, physical strength and speed. Okay, have a physical and mental strength, and tell them that you are not their toy. They will not play with you. Okay, and singing reduces anxiety. Singing in car or shower is the good way to end up your anxiety when you are nervous. Sing aloud as you can. Singing floods your brain with endorphins and oxytocin. You don't have to good. Okay, if you feel anxiety or stress, please sing and keep your mood fresh. Think about the good things, don't think about bad things. Okay, this is the sohar, the pre-dawn meal and eating while practicing Muslim fast during Ramadan. Fasting is good for your situation. Okay, if you are Muslim, then you have to fast for your good situation. Okay, pray a lot, read Quran. You will surely get some help from there, some advice. Lucifer, his purpose is fall, defeat, proud. Okay, except think I am better than others, stronger than others, powerful than others, can do everything, want to steal throne from God or others. Thief, fight for that is not over. Liar, lonelier, problem creator. This person is like this Lucifer card. This person is not good. This person has these qualities that in this card. Oh, yeah. Okay, what else? exude warmth and karma. They do not hide anything from strangers. They are open to all. Because of these habits, people used to afraid to talk to them and like to talk to them. They are good listener. Okay, maybe this is for you. You are a good person. You are listening to others. A dad is a person who wants to catch you before you fall, but he instead pick you up and lets you try again. Okay, maybe they want you to leave your parents, your father, someone. This is not good. Don't leave your past relationship for your new relationship. If your new person is good for you, is they are true for you, they truly love you, they will live with your past relationship, or otherwise they are not good for you, and this person definitely is not good for you. They have a snake energy within them. So this is for you, my dear Leo, for this month. Please do anything with lots of wisdom. Decide with mind, not with heart. Okay, and decide with the heart and as well as mind. Okay, and this is, if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my video, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye for this month.